how the PDM works, we will explain how much it would cost and what training would be needed to operate it. Based on how much the titanium and programming would cost, the PDM would cost around $100,000. A majority of the cost would come from the programming and researching required to make the machine work. Training, however, would be fairly easy because it just requires the knowledge of how to properly scan somebody over.
All things considered, our main reason for making this is to help those who cannot advocate for themselves and to provide them with the best possible care. We hope you enjoyed our presentation of the PDM and hope you see the potential it has. Thank you. Okay.
To help you visualize this, we will do a short demonstration. I'll pretend to be a mute patient with extreme abdominal pain. Brady will pretend to be a nurse using the PDM on me to determine where I have the pain.
First, the patient will be given the pill that contains the electronic signal machine the night before their appointment. Fast forward to the next day, and the nurse will take the PDM wand, turn it on, and slowly wave it over the patient until it beeps. Now that we know where the pain is located, the doctors and the nurses of the patient can now determine a list of diagnoses that could be causing the pain. PDM works as so. The pill containing the electronic signal machine is swallowed and digested by the patient the night prior to the examination. From there, the electronic signal machine flows through the bloodstream until A delta nerve activity is sensed. The electronic signal machine then implements itself in the area where the nerve activity is by attaching itself to the vein wall. At the time of the appointment, the nurse will wave the PDM over the patient to figure out where the electronic signal machine is. The PDM will beep and turn on the green light once the nurse is over the location of the electronic signal machine. The PDM locates the machine by detecting the titanium the machine is made out of. After a certain period of time, the electronic signal machine will then unimplement itself and flow through the bloodstream until it is eventually secreted.
My name is Izzy Akobi.
And my name is Brady Dorr.
Today we will be talking about our medical innovation, the pain detector machine, also known as the PDM. First, we will give a quick overview of how pain works in order to better understand how the PDM operates. The process of pain starts when cell tissue is damaged. When cell tissue is damaged, pain receptors, also known as A delta nerve fibers, are activated. The pain receptors then send a message to the peripheral nerve, which then travels to the spinal cord. The spinal cord then acts as a gateway to the thalamus in the brain. The frontal cortex and the somatosensory cortex are then notified and a response is given. This is how the sensation of pain occurs. Now that we know how pain works, we'll give a quick discussion of how the PDM operates